Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be kind of guiding you on how you can unlock secret recipes in Heartopia. So I've seen a few comments saying like this recipe doesn't work, this recipe doesn't work, and it is because you probably used like the universal ingredient for like the substitute of like what you actually need to use. So for instance, here like the crayfish sashimi. So I bought the like recipe from Massimo and basically cooked the crayfish sashimi, and it's going to give me the crayfish sashimi. But you can also unlock this secret recipe, which is the blue European crayfish sashimi, which uses the blue European crayfish instead of just the crayfish that we had. And so I did try before because I didn't have lettuce. I used three blue European crayfish, but I used the universal ingredient instead of the lettuce because I didn't have the lettuce. And then it didn't make the blue European crayfish sashimi. It didn't unlock that recipe because I used a universal ingredient. So don't replace it with anything else, okay? You have to use the exact ingredients, no replacements, no different colors, or else it's not going to unlock the recipe. So here it says that you need three of the blue European crayfish for the recipe. So you have to use three of the blue one. Don't substitute it with like another sashimi that isn't blue. It's obviously not going to unlock the recipe. It's the same for the roll cakes. So again, you have to use eggs and milk. Don't replace it. And then for to unlock other colors, um make sure you have the colors for it. So don't change like for instance, you want to cook the violet roll cake. Don't change the sugar and make it so one is blue and one is violet. It's obviously not going to unlock it. So you have to precisely follow the ingredients to unlock the recipe, okay? So that is how you can unlock secret recipes in Heartopia. Hopefully that cleared things up because it did work for me. Again, don't use any universal ingredients to change it. You can use it for the like basic one. It's going to unlock that one instead. But for secret recipes, you need to follow the recipe to the T. So don't substitute it. Don't use like ingredient substitution. My English is like all over the place, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.